Hello and welcome to AOPEN's Tech Minute. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a feature set overview of the world's first commercial grade Chrome tablet, the AOPEN Chromebook Commercial Tab. Toward the end of the video I'm going to have the spec sheet, so please get ready with the pause button. Let's get started. Okay, we'll start the unboxing. As you see, the unit's in a very sturdy cardboard box. Serial number label on the side along with the MAC ID. So we open the box. You'll see the cover for the unit also has the serial number for asset tracking. Pull it out of its nice case here. You can see the back of the unit also has the serial number. So this is the tablet. Inside of the box, we have a power supply charger. So this is a USB-C style connector. And we also have a power cord, US style. On the bottom of the unit, you can see here, this is the USB-C connector for charging the tablet. Next segment, we'll talk about features. Let's talk about some of the features of the AOPEN Chromebook Commercial Tab. On the front of the unit, we have a 10-inch touchscreen along with a front-facing camera right here. On the back of the unit, we have a rear-facing camera. We also have an adjustable and removable hand strap. There's also two Kensington lock slots right here and here. And the screws around the bottom here are removable. And if you remove 4 of them, it creates a 75mm by 75mm VISA mounting pattern. So any standard VISA mount will work. The Wacom stylus comes with the tablet. We also have a volume control switch here. We have a hole for the charging LED. We also have the power switch here. On the top of the unit is a microphone and speaker. On the bottom of the unit we have a USB-C connector for the charger and another speaker on the bottom. This commercial grade tablet is extremely durable and will survive in demanding retail and education environments. The front of the LCD panel has a 9H hardness rating, and the unit has passed the mil standard A10G method 15.6 transit drop test. The case is locked to the tablet by 2 wings that prevent the tablet from popping out of the case after an impact. One of the unique features of this tablet is the configurable power button. Out of the box, the power button operates like any standard power button. Press it to turn the power on, and press it again to turn the power off. However, removing the insert behind this button will enable the kiosk mode. In this mode, a paperclip or similar sized object is required to turn the unit off. This prevents unauthorized users from powering down the tablet. Thanks for watching. For more information about AOPEN's Chromebook Commercial Tab or other commercial grade products, please go to aopen.com.